Empanda has a small thought leadership venue that we call the Inspiration Centre. The centre is designed to enable a relaxed space that supports creative collaboration and a positive energy. Consider using the Inspiration Centre just outside Cape Town if you need a space for coaching, thought leadership or strategic planning.
If I may say, I wanted to move in straight away.
Oh, I love it. I belong there. I should move my office there. I love it. It's the perfect place to do training, to break away. I think we should have our meetings there monthly.
It's out away from the city. It's like you're in this holiday venue because you've got this beautiful view, hearing the birds chirp. It's calming. I'm just get completely relaxed.
I absolutely love it. It's nice to take a drive out through the countryside. It makes you feel like you're away for the day, you're on holiday a little bit.
You work so hard right through the year and you don't really get to appreciate, a simple thing like nature, birds chirping, etc. It's such a calming environment. Every time I went out there, I felt like, oh gosh, I'm going to the spa.
Really nice. I'm an outdoor person, so being out in the wild, I lived in Denver before, so that's kind of really nice for me. Plus, the driving past the horse farm was nice. So it's kind of like a breath of fresh air every time we go there.
The views of the mountain and the wonderful food and the hospitality was really great, and it really disconnected me from my daily work, from the daily routine. It allowed me to feel that I was more free to speak and discuss, and just gave me a relaxed feeling, which I think is necessary because you're not running to your laptop every 5 minutes if you're doing it on site. You're not dealing with issues that crop up.
Because you sit there and there's nothing that's interrupting you or distracting you, and you can actually switch off from whatever is going on at work and just focus on the training that's happening.
It was very nice, very professional. I felt like I was at home, so I didn't feel like, awkward, need to sit and stare at grey walls. It was very nice, and also just being a bit out of the office, that also made a huge difference with the answers and the topics we spoke about.
That facility is amazing. I can't say I miss going there every 2 weeks. It was calm and quiet and peaceful, and you could really go there and be creative and think and do what you needed to do. It was fantastic.
Oasis invests in the development of leadership skills directly into your business. It does this by strengthening total motivation in teams, and is based on extensive research into what drives a high-performance culture. Please let us know if you believe that Oasis can add value to your business. Invest in developing leaders that are fit for your organisation's future.